Hi, what I'm going to do today is, or rather in this tutorial, is show you how we can get these rather nice YouTube videos onto the website, so that any of your clients that might want to watch some of the videos or put their own videos up onto YouTube will be able to get them up there, and then you can gather them together. So, how do we get all these fellas on here? The other thing, of course, is that we've got a number of videos already set up in tutorials. We'll just stop that. So these tutorials will be viewable by yourself online, and as you can see, there's quite a few of them. I'm doing some more for the wharf now. In fact, this is one as we speak. So, how do we get this YouTube stuff to embed into Joomla and display nice and pretty like that? Well, the first thing we have to do is to go to the administration area, and we do that through the admin. I've already logged in, obviously, so what we'll be doing is we're going to go to the article manager, and we'll edit an article and set it up as a community YouTube page. Once I can get that out. So we'll just grab any article, really. Joomla overview, that sounds good. You might notice that the writing's quite small on my site. It's because I'm operating in 800 by 600, and so the pages don't fit very well on my machine. Not the resolution I like to work anyway. Anyway, here we go. So the first thing we'll do is we'll change the name of the article to YouTube. At it again. YouTube. The Wharf Community. Wharf Community. Okay. So this alias area here, as you can see, there's a little pop-up, and it says leave it blank. So that's what we'll do, because when we save it, Joomla will fill in the correct spaces and what have you on there. Now we've got some text already in here, but we don't want to see that. So we're going to type in our own. Welcome to our community YouTube area. We'll just call it a page for now. Page. There we go. So you've already got the sorcerer button, which is the little fella that we use to encapsulate the code. What's it doing that for? So what we have to do is we have to go to the YouTube website to pick up some code to stick in there. So on there we've got our playlist. It's got I've picked up the playlist called website tutorials, and you'll see there's an embedding option in there. Well, that's going to be pasted onto the sorcerer plugin, so we're going to start by copying that from here. So go back to the article, click on the sorcerer, and you'll see that there is clear instructions. Type or paste your code in here, and you paste it, well, I paste it in between the two source tags, and then click on insert. So insert, and there we go. We have our tutorials. So you could call that games. I know it's not going to be games, but hey, you could split them up into categories like that. And events. So I'm going to put a little YouTube bar now across the top, and we do that through going to the old YouTube site again. This time we're going to go to my account. Somewhere down here should be uploaded videos. Wait a minute, what's going on here? No network. Somewhere down here. Playlists. Completely lost at the minute. But that's okay. What we need to do is find the old help tabs. I wonder if it's on there. Is it? Come on. Not really. Okay, so somewhere down here there'll be something. The YouTube handbook. It's got to be there, isn't it, really? YouTube on your site. That's it. Right. Okay, so as you can see, I rely quite heavily on people helping me, so what I want to do now is I'm going to make my own little Vox box. So I'll just put all these fellas in here, and I'll also put Xeniles in to show you that you can add your own playlists and what have you. So let's show the code. The code starts there, so we're going to copy all of that code into those little tags set up by the sorcerer. So we're going to put it at the top so you can get the same sort of feel. Here's the sorcerer. Again, into between the source tags, and click insert. Events, and of course you can put in whatever you like in there. But now we've got all those bits and pieces together, we're going to save it. So having pressed the save button, we now have YouTube WORF community. So that's our article. Now we're going to get it into the resources menu. WORF in brief, WORF community. Let's just see what's in there. That might be interesting enough. Great now guidelines. Well, we don't want to change that, so we'll close that and we'll open up another one. Oz Home. So what we're going to do is we're going to call it WORF community YouTube. Again, we'll get rid of this stuff here, and then we'll save it. Where is it? The WORF community YouTube. Okay, so you see it's the menu type. What's changing? So we'll change that to be an article. We just want basic article layout. That'll do us. And then it asks us to select an article. We'll go through into there, and then we'll find WORF YouTube, the YouTube WORF community. So we selected the right article. Everything seems ready to go. Is it published? Well, we could click that and say yes, but I just want to show you how it works in the menu. So WORF community YouTube, you see published. I can just click on that, and there it's published. Now we need to go back into the menu items. Oh, sorry. We need to go back into the front end. Oh, I seem to have lost it again. That's okay. We'll just get rid of one of these administrators, and that'll do us. Fantastic. So the WORF's going to pop up. I'll just minimize it a little bit. So there we go again. WORF front page, looking pretty funky. And then down here we have, we should have somewhere in resources, WORF community YouTube. Okay, let's click on there and see what we get. And there we get just what we expected. Fantastic video bar which shows us videos and stuff. Okay, fine. And of course then we've got the tutorials, and this one will soon to be on there. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll be posting some more for you to have a look at as time goes by. Plus, if there's anything you want to know about, just let me know. Thank you for that. Cheers.